Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to listen to Spotify together on Discord without premium and explain a simple free method to enjoy music with friends. Step 1. Connect Spotify to Discord by opening User Settings, going to Connections, and linking your Spotify account. This step lets Discord display your listening activity and helps others know what you're playing. Step 2. Join a voice channel in your Discord server where you and your friends can talk. Being in a voice channel is required so screen sharing and audio streaming work properly. Step 3. Click the screen icon next to the mute button and choose the Spotify app window. This allows Discord to capture what's playing on your screen instead of just your microphone. Step 4. Make sure Share Stream Audio is turned on before clicking Go Live. This is important because without Stream Audio enabled, your friends won't hear the music. Step 5. Invite your friends to join the stream by having them click Listen or Watch your screen share. They can hear the music with ads included, even without Spotify Premium. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tech tutorials.